Welcome back to the channel. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get to it. So today, what we're doing, I'm going to be reviewing this new ear tunnel that I got from eBay. It's just going to be a quick little review, so let's get to it. Okay, so here we are with the top view camera. First off, the overall size of this ear tunnel is 19mm. I got it from eBay and it was about £10. There'll be a link in the description for anyone who wants to check it out. Right, so let's get a close look at this. So first off, it's black and gold. There is a slight imperfection on the top there, but nothing major. I wasn't expecting too much at this price point. So we go round, you see it's got the flares on either end. The back piece unscrews and reveals the thread. The gold colour is just in the middle and flares up round on the front, so you get the nice gold colour showing through on the front, but not really on the back. But the thread itself is nice and tight. Once it's on there, it's not going anywhere, so it'll be securely in your ear. The thread itself isn't too tight, but it is easy enough to undo without getting stuck in the ear. And once it's off there, you can see the machine lines. Nice and clean, pretty standard stuff. So once that's back on there, you just really have to appreciate the nice black and gold colours. That's the main reason why I bought this. I saw it advertised online and I just knew I had to get it. So I found this one on eBay and I've been wearing it for weeks now and I've had no issues with it. You know, I'd highly recommend getting this as I think it looks absolutely incredible. It's just that slight defect there on the edge, which I was not too happy about. But other than that, the rest of it's pretty solid. Yeah, as I was saying, this is 19mm. I was trying to get an 18, but they didn't have 18, just 19, which I found a bit strange. But there we go, that's a closer look at this tunnel. Okay, so now that we've had a closer look at it, let's get some close-up pictures. So there we go, that just about concludes my review on this new tunnel. Overall, I'm very happy with it. It was fairly inexpensive and it looks great. I'd highly recommend getting this tunnel. But yeah, that's all for now.